Yo, what it is, what it ain't, what it might be. It's your boy Trey Rivers, and today we'll be talking about service maintenance tips that'll help your car last a lot longer. Today we're working on my 2011 Chevy Impala. Let's get into it. What is this video about? In this video, we'll be talking about servicing and maintaining your vehicle to keep it running take two. To keep it running as long as possible. All right, and the first step to keeping your car running for a long time is keeping your motor oil up to date. You want to check the oil on the cap, and it'll tell you exactly what oil you need. And you just go in the store and tell them you need, SAE 5W30. Sometimes you might need 10W, 0W. Sometimes instead of 30, it might be 20. It just depends on your vehicle. Just check your vehicle. A lot of times it's gonna be on the top knob, and sometimes it won't. It may be down here somewhere. Yeah. Change your motor oil regularly. Your check engine light will come on when you'll need to change your oil. Your check engine light will also come on when you need to change, anything. Just check your engine. That's what the light for. Check engine light. Check your engine. I say check engine light come on. You might need to change your oil. Simple fix. Go get you a 5-liter a bottle of motor oil. Usually run you about $20-$30. Then you'll need to get you an oil filter. The oil filter for my car is up under there, up under the motor. So for me, I have to lift up the car and come up under here. I ain't gonna be able to see it in here, and I ain't got no jack for me. I ain't got no jack for me right now, so I can't lift it up. Some cars, it'll be up in there. Some cars, I didn't even see them up on the top. It just depends on your car. Like I said, you might have to do a little bit of searching, a little bit of looking, check your owner's manual, but you'll find it, you'll get it. You know what I'm saying? Just check it, but like I say, oil and your oil filter. Make sure you keep your oil and your oil filter up to date. That's maintenance check number 1. Now the next maintenance service tip I'm gonna get you hip to is checking your battery. Make sure you check your terminals and make sure you ain't got no corrosion on it. Mine look kind of dirty, but it's clean, if you know what I'm saying. Ain't got too much corrosion on it. And if it do, just get you a wire brush and you can clean it off. Make sure you stay up to date with your battery. Don't keep the same one for too long, because it will go out running all the electric and all that through your vehicle and all of that. So like I say, just make sure you stay up to date with your battery and keep your terminals clean. And yeah, you also make sure you have your mechanic hook it up to a voltage machine and check your voltage. I believe the voltage should be around like 12 volts. It said right there on the battery. And if it's any different, I'm sure it said on the battery. So like I say, make sure your mechanic hook you up and check your voltage to make sure your voltage running good through your car and everything running smooth and all that like that. Yeah.